This is the boost converter, or I'll call it buck converter. Each can handle 5 amps, 5, 10, 15, 20 amps in total. Here is the input, here is the output. This one is current, this one is voltage. Current voltage, CCCV, current this thing, CCCV, which also stands for constant current. Here constant current, here constant voltage. You can see there's the input, there's the output. Just connect it directly to your solar array. Then you reduce your solar panel from 40 volts to 16 volts to 15 volts to 14 volts for your battery charging. Just through your solar panel with the work of the buck converter, you can send the current direct to your inverter. And as long as the sun is active, you can also power usable tools like light bulb, fan, and other stuff with your inverter. Just with the work of your buck converter, your solar panel. You can see it's 2 solar panel here. This one here and this other. The other one is, you can see 250 watts. You can see. Let me turn it so you can see it clearly. You can see normal 250 watts, 8.30 amps. Total is 8.87 amps. You can see. And the other one also, let's put this one here. You can see the other one too. Let's see. Also 250 watts, 8.30 amps, which is operating current here. Open circuit voltage 37.2 volts, but it's 40 volts, which is 8.87 amps in total. Okay, you can see strong and very powerful.